Waste Management, Oklahoma City. Are you looking for reliable waste management in Oklahoma City? At Yellow Box Waste, we're here to provide efficient, affordable, and customer-centered waste solutions for any project you take on, whether an extensive renovation or a simple cleanup. As a family-owned company with over a decade of experience, we specialize in roll-off dumpster rentals and junk removal tailored to your unique needs. Yellow Box Waste makes waste management in Oklahoma City easy and accessible, helping you keep your space clean and your project stress-free. With our commitment to customer satisfaction, our team is here to help you choose the right dumpster size, coordinate delivery and pickup, and keep your schedule on track. Our flexible rental options ensure you get what you need for your project's demands. From home cleanouts to construction projects, we handle all the heavy lifting so you can focus on what matters most. We provide reliable pickup and proper disposal to make waste management stress-free. Ready to tackle waste management in Oklahoma City with a dependable partner? Call 405-570-4977 today. Yellow Box Waste, making waste management easy, convenient, and reliable.